the truth, the money never stop playing with him.
Davinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch. Got him asking.
Let's just jump right into it. We're currently, what is this called? Damn it, I'm always messing up. But we're priming our lids with some concealer. We're gonna take our James Charles palette, this red shade, and begin packing that onto our lid. The more we pack, the more vibrant the color is going to be. We're gonna keep it in a oval shape for now. Then you guys are gonna see we're gonna eventually cat wing it out. But right now we're going in with our orange and just diffusing out the color. I'm pregnant. I'm out of breath. I'm always out of breath, but oh my God. So yeah, we're gonna blend it out till it looks a little something like that. Now we're gonna take these 3 dark shades and begin packing them on. We're gonna pack them on till it looks a little bit something like this. Hit it till it looks like that. Now you guys see we're taking that black and we are winging it out. We're going dramatic. This is going to be a bold triple cut crease dramatic look. Now we're doing the actual cut crease. Don't get discouraged if your cut crease isn't on fleek, because the final touches, we're going to go back in with black. We're going to go back in with the eyeliner. So those final touches are going to help, you know, really set the look off. Now I'm going in with my Stilla glitter. You guys saw that I put yellow on top, and that was just to set the concealer so the glitter and the concealer wouldn't get sticky. So now I'm just going with the glitter of my choosing. You can go in with whatever color glitter you want. You can use red, whatever, it doesn't matter. But yeah, now you guys see I'm going back in with that black and I'm just defining the cut crease. After this, I'm going to take my eyeliner and just make everything look that much more defined. Now I can take a deep breather. Okay, as you guys see, I am winging out that eyeliner, making it pretty bold and dramatic, following the actual cut crease I have now. And I'm going at the top as well. Now I'm just taking that glitter, the same Stilla glitter that I used, and I'm defining the top. That's why this look is really cool. It doesn't have to be super blended because all the eyeliners and the geometrical shapes help it to look uniformed, you know? Like, we're going for, I don't know what these vibes are, but yeah. I'm crazy. Now I'm just filling in my brows. If you guys want an updated eyebrow tutorial, let me know. I have a few eyebrow tutorials already on my channel, so I'm going to link them in the description. Might link one in the card, but I am so out of breath. What's going to happen next is I'm going to put some of that Rihanna highlighter on my brow bone and the inner corners of my eyes for some more razzle dazzle. And yeah, literally after this voiceover, I'm about to go eat me a tuna sandwich. Oh gosh, I just made the best tuna ever. And yeah, baby's got it 8. But as you guys can see, I'm adding that color to my lid. Now I'm just doing my face. My foundation routine hasn't changed. I use different products each time, but it always looks the same. I'm just going on with some oil. Now I'm taking my NARS in the color Tahoe, which is going to make me a bit more tan, but who doesn't love a nice tan? Then I'm going to begin diffusing it out with a Morphe brush. After that Morphe brush, I'm going to use a sponge. And let me catch up on my breath. Jesus Christ, all right. No, I promise you guys, I'm in my 2nd trimester, headed to the 3rd, and oh, Jesus, time really does fly by. I tell you that, it flies by, and I am out of breath. I'm wasting breath right now, okay. Dabbing it in with the Beauty Blender. Now I'm going in with my Rihanna concealers. This one is in the shade 330. And I'm putting it all over my face. Then after this one, I'm going to go in with 300, which is going to be a bit lighter, as you guys can see. And I'm going to add that under my eyes and down the bridge of my nose. Then I'm going to go in with my NARS concealer to contour my face. And that's going to be in the shade Hazelnut. But first, we're going to blend it out. And I decided to actually show you guys a little more because sometimes I just kind of skip to the next step. But you guys see I really do a good job at blending it out. I kind of saved my under eyes for last because, you know, the under eyes crease. And yeah, that's just really it. I don't really blend it all the way in because after this step I go on with my contour and then I further blend. So you guys are going to see right now. Here I am going with my contour and just sculpting my face. As I said, I was pregnant and I've been really loving to contour my face because your girl has gained weight, even though people are like, you haven't gained weight. I've gained 40 pounds. And yeah, so contour has been my best friend. So here I am just further blending it in. Now I'm taking the Fenty Beauty powder and you guys are going to see that I'm just like, oh my God. But yeah, you got to really tap this stuff in. You cannot bake with the Fenty powder. I don't have oily skin. I mean, I don't have dry skin and it literally makes my skin dry. So I have to really either use a brush to put it on there or really dab it into the skin. Now I'm going in with my Cover FX powder. This is a powder my skin complexion and I love to do this step. I don't ever forget this step, but I'm powdering my whole face with powder my color. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Black Radiance contour palette and contouring my face. This is my favorite drugstore, high-end. It doesn't even matter. It's $7 at Walgreens, Target, CVS. I literally love it. And yeah, I'm just going to put that all over my face. And then next, I'm going to go in with a blush. I like to use blushes that are like brown shades because, I don't know, I just like to further sculpt my face. So as you guys can see, in this next clip, I'm going to be using a blush. And the blush is really neutral toned. It's not too bold. And yeah, it's super cute. Now I'm just going in with this DI highlight that I made. I'm going to link it in the card and in the description. But it wasn't as popping as I wanted it to be. I mean, it's popping, okay? But I wanted it to be more popping. So I'm going to go back in with that Fenty. That Fenty highlighter is popping. Like, wow. Look, wow. But yeah, so I'm going to put this all over my face. Put it down the bridge of my nose. It's literally like Facetune in real life. Oh my God. Like if you're not bold enough to wear this highlight, it's actually pretty ridiculous. But it's super cute. It looks great in photos, so. Now I'm just adding the red color to my bottom lid. I'm going to add it to the other bottom lid. And then I did baby doll eyelashes at the bottom. If you want a tutorial on how I did it, it was actually my first time trying to do it. I was like, how am I going to do this? And then, I don't know, it was just easy and it worked out. So if you want a tutorial on how I did my bottom lashes, let me know by giving this video a big old thumbs up, leaving it in the comments like, yeah, we want to see how you did your bottom lashes. And I'll definitely get that video up and out for you. Yeah, now I'm just doing my lips using Huda Beauty in the color Vixen. And I'm going to be using an NYX in the color Suede, which is like a nudie color to kind of merge both of them in. And then, yeah, that's the final look. And I am completely out of breath.
My bitch drive a all white rank. Couldn't hit it if you niggas had ain't. Lanes can't call and you lame. You had it and you lost it, all the shine. I can buy a Billy, don't talk to me. For a show, 150.
So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. Let me know what you guys want to see in the future, and I'll see you guys next time.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. Scoochie got me feeling like a baddie. This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. Popping tags, these bitches can